Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 18. A regular language L is accepted by a non-deterministic finite automation NFA with n state. Which of the following statements is or are false? And 4 options are given. Let's check one by one option. Option A, L may have an accepting NFA with less than n state. Yes, that NFA might have duplicate state. If you are removing the duplicate state, it might have NFA with less than n state. Hence, option A is true. Next option B, L may have an accepting DFA with less than n state. Yes, sometime after converting to DFA, we get less than n state. Hence, option B is also true. Then option C, there exists a DFA with less than equals to 2 power n state that accept L. Yes, this is true. When we are converting NFA to DFA, maximum number of states possible is 2 power n. So maximum states can be 2 power n, it can be less than equals to 2 power n. Hence option C is true. Next option D, every DFA that accept L has greater than 2 power n state. No. It cannot be greater than 2 power n. Maximum it will be 2 power n. So it can be less than equals to. Here it's given greater than 2 power n. That's why this is false. And in question it is asking which statement is false. So answer will be option D. Every DFA that accept L has greater than 2 power n state. This is false. It can have maximum 2 power n state, less than or equals to 2 power n state. I already discussed all this during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.